Are you seeing the iFly module DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. Before we dive into the iFly module troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the iFly module, a specialized aeronautical physics and system logic library used in high-fidelity flight simulation add-ons, specifically the iFly 737 and 747 series. It manages the autopilot logic and flight computer data. If missing, the flight simulator will launch, but the aircraft's cockpit displays will remain blank and the flight systems will be non-functional. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. IFly is required by certain games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy runtime components, while GPU driver updates handle hardware-specific dependencies. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the iFly module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Remember that manual replacement of iFly module DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to iFly module. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and iFly module error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.